General,
آپ نے شاید
with the limitations.
Attorney
جی
General,
صاحب آپ نے شاید وہ تصویر
Adding-
دیکھی ہے جو
adding-
جج کی آنکھوں پہ پٹی ہوتی ہے پٹی یہ نہیں ہوتی
adding to what my Lord Justice Mansoor Ali Shah has just stated. What you have argued is, in other words, you are asking this apex court, vested with jurisdiction, extraordinary jurisdictions as well, that only look at 185, and thus what would be the effect? The effect would be during these proceedings, one thing has become absolutely obvious, that there has been a grave constitutional violation by excluding a political party on the basis of misinterpretation of the provisions and a judgment of this court. So now, indirectly, this apex court would be validating a grave constitutional violation and thus invoking the doctrine of necessity again. Now, this is not an ordinary 185 litigation. It relates to the rights of the people, particularly those who by now is very clear have been disfranchised by an unconstitutional interpretation by a constitutional body, and you want this court to validate it.
And adding to that, I mean, all we want to say, adding to that, this is not a case کہ پٹواری نے زمین کسی کی انٹر پارٹی لے لی ہے تو ہم نے کہا 185 میں دیکھنا ہے وہ آرڈر آپ نے چیلنج نہیں کیا آپ نہیں کر سکتے. This is not that. Please try to look at this as an election matter which is perhaps something that one has to look into. It's a sui generis. It's a different kind of set of proceedings. Go under 185. We're looking at the electorate. We're looking at the national elections. We're looking, I mean, the apex court, national election, the electorate, the millions of people who voted. What I find very difficult is to look one segment of the election and ignore a very grave illegality that occurred just a minute before it, which led to that problem. So can we not attend it and close our eyes to it? Because if you open your eyes to it, all you have to do is that if three persons, according to the record, if ECP checks, PTI becomes a party of 3 members of 4. And then there is a party on the table, and then the independents have a choice to take their vote. Everything falls in place. So if that is not what justice is, I don't know what justice is.
My Lord, I take in that since a lot has been said from this side, and since I may not subscribe to a number of things that don't expect this, justice, we all want justice, but it's a very elusive concept. If you go on personal justice, my concept may be different from your concept. Someone may be in favor of capital punishment, someone may be against it. On a justice principle, do we apply justice principles? We apply the law and the constitution provisions. Now, read all the judgments of this court which introduce the doctrine of necessity, and all of them rely upon the justice principle. Les populi, Keynes's pure theory of law. This is actually they had lost the thing of the people. Every judgment has been based on premise. If they had simply followed the constitution and said, this is not permissible, you cannot take over, you cannot send elected representatives home, that would be the letter of the constitution. I'm not even going to the spirit of the constitution. When judges, some of them may have great wisdom, I am not one of those, say, forget what the constitution say, there is this one word, justice, and I'm going to erect an edifice on the basis of this one word, then we might as well do away with the constitution, because we are now imposing our vision on the nation. We are imposing what the constitution says. Hang on, constitution makers, you didn't quite get it right. We know what justice is. We are imposing our will on parliament. When we go into these vague concepts, we get into all sorts of troubles which are history. It's not academic anymore. Since mention was made of doctrine of necessity, it was on these very principles. When they can't find anything tangible to hang on to in the Constitution, then opens the doors, because I can define justice any way I want to, someone else will define it any other way. So are we going to have this academic, and this is not even something which has really been argued, and I don't want to stick my neck out or let it come from as if it's a thing of the court saying this, that the doctrine of necessity was done, I think, on the very principle or the concept, or what they borrowed, what they in their hearts or in their conscience, I would even go that far, they genuinely believed it. I wouldn't even say that, I wouldn't even attribute any malafide or ill intent to any of those judges. They genuinely believed it. I don't want let's Pakistan go on the constitutional path for once.
Learned comes. I think you finished your.
My lord, I have.
Attorney General, you haven't answered my question.
My lord.
Do we validate?
These are our opinions.
Do we validate a grave constitutional violation which has become obvious before us? That is
premised
included.
on something.
That is not premised. That is the orders have come before us. It has become obvious.
You want to respond?
We are
Please respond.
ignoring the elephant in the room.
My lord, I will now just, there are 4 judgments, one authored by Justice Shah on 187, one of the bench of which Justice Munib Akhtar was part of, and 2 other judgments on 187. The limitations which I have placed before you in 187 is what the law, what the Constitution says, how the courts have read it. If the court wishes to read it differently, it's a full court, the court can. I'm placing these 4 judgments before you.
But on
It's a
what
blue paper.
principle? Just tell us the principle.
4, sir.
Are they on the same principle or different principle?
Which I've just read out while explaining 187, that it's a power, not a jurisdiction. There has to be a list before your lordship. While looking at, you should be leave to the seized of the list while applying 187, but you cannot initiate independent proceeding by invoking 187 beyond what is before you. Yes. With that, I will conclude my submission. Most grateful.
Attorney General, sir, my question, what would happen to those independent candidates who have neither joined any parliament party or nor political party? What would happen to those independent candidates?
वो independent रहेंगे.
तरह जबकि लॉ कहता है कि 3 दिन के अंदर उनको ज्वाइन करना है पार्टी,
ऑप्शन है सर, ऑप्शन है.
तो फिर वो कहाँ जाएंगे?
वो आजाद रहेंगे सर. वो यानी वो फॉर द पर्पसेस ऑफ पार्लियामेंट्री पार्टी पार्लियामेंट के अंदर आजाद रहेंगे.
Sorry.
फिर वो-
They will not remain independent. They have to join some political party. देखिए ना, लॉ तो यही कहता है कि 3 दिन के अंदर ज्वाइन करो.
फिर वो
अब आप कह रहे हैं इंडिपेंडेंट, कैसे रहेगा इंडिपेंडेंट वो?
फिर वो इट्स एन ऑप्शन. मैं द वे आई रीड इट, वो एक ऑप्शन क्रिएट कर रहा है. अगर वो ऑप्शन अवेल नहीं करते तो वो पार्लियामेंट में जाके एज अपना इंडिपेंडेंट स्टेटस रख लेंगे.
अटॉर्नी जनरल साहब, ये जो डाटा इन्होंने प्रोवाइड किया है इलेक्शन कमीशन ने सीएमए नंबर 5840 ऑफ 24 में, पेज नंबर 19 पर सीट रिजर्व फॉर वुमेन नेशनल असेंबली 17 इन्होंने नेशनल असेंबली में सीट ऑब्टेन करी हैं और 10 इनको मिल गई हैं रिजर्व सीट्स, तो इनकी 27 सीट्स हो गई हैं. पीपल्स पार्टी ने 1 ऑब्टेन करी है, 2 इनको बोनस में सीट्स मिल गई हैं, 3 हो गई. इसी तरह से सबसे बुरी सूरत हाल खैबर पख्तूनख्वा में है, जहां मुस्लिम लीग ने 36 सीटें ऑब्टेन की हैं और उनको 21 सीटें मिल गई हैं रिजर्व सीट्स. इसी तरह से पीपीपी ने 3 सीटें ऑब्टेन करी हैं, 1 उनको बोनस में मिली है, पीएमएलएन को इस तरह से मिली है 1 सीट, 2 उन्होंने ऑब्टेन करी हैं. और यहाँ पर जो और सूरत हाल है नॉन मुस्लिम की, जेयूआई पी की 0 सीट्स थी, उनको 2 सीट्स मिली है नॉन मुस्लिम्स की.
ये
और जिन्होंने कोई,
आप कहाँ देख रहे हैं सर?
ये पेज नंबर 20 पे 580 पे जो सीट्स एलोकेशन है रिजर्व सीट जो ऑब्टेन करी
नॉन मुस्लिम्स की,
जी नॉन मुस्लिम्स की, खैबर पख्तूनख्वा में 0 सीट्स जेयूआई
मुस्लिम्स की तो
रिजर्व सीट फॉर नॉन मुस्लिम,
प्रोविंस में तो नहीं होती हैं सर.
इसमें 2 सीटें इन्होंने ऑब्टेन करी
वो
हैं.
फिर वुमेन की होंगी, नॉन मुस्लिम्स तो सिर्फ नेशनल असेंबली में होती है.
प्रोविंशियल असेंबली में भी है. जो डेटा मेरे सामने
सर प्रोविंस में है, यू राइट.
प्रोविंस में कोई सीट उन्होंने ऑब्टेन नहीं करी, 2 सीट्स हैं उनके पास.
बिल्कुल
इसमें आपका जवाब क्या है कि ये कैसे इनको
मतलब जितनी सीट्स उनकी नहीं है उनसे डबल ट्रिपल उनको मिल रही है, 3 गुना ज्यादा मिल रही है.
एक फारसी का एक मकोला है, एजी साहब,
जी सर.
हिस्सा बकदर जुस्सा.
जी
یعنی جتنی آپ کی ساخت ہوگی اس کے مطابق آپ کو ملنی چاہیے. اس سے بڑھ کر ایک سوال یہ آ رہا ہے کہ مل سکتی ہے یا نہیں.
میں نے وہ آپ کو ایکسپلین
آپ نے
کیا تھا.
امپیکٹ والا
اسی لیے
calculation
ہاں
نہیں دکھایا.
امپیکٹ والا آپ سے
Impact
پوچھا
والی
تھا.
کہاں ہے؟
You've left
وہ
that
مجھے
question.
جسٹس یحییٰ افریدی نے کہا تھا کہ آپ کا کام یہ کیلکولیشنز کرنا
نہیں، آپ
نہیں
نے
ہے, وہ
ابھی
الیکشن
کہا.
کمیشن
آپ نے ڈاکومنٹ
آپ نے
میں
ابھی
کہا.
آپ کو ریکارڈ دیا میں نے.
آپ calculated
لیکن اگر آپ انڈیپینڈنس کو
See, nahi, that's unfair.
نو آئی ایم سوری.
My observation that anything to do with the calculation of seats, that is the mandate of Election Commission. However, I'm not stopping you from responding to any question posed to you by a honorable member of the bench.
And you said you'll take
did
us.
not mean it that way.
And you said you'll take us to the impact.
جی
You
امپیکٹ آپ
parked
نے
my question yet again and said I will answer it in the end.
Madam,
So the end has come, so please answer my
and
question.
is not coming, but
He said so.
the question, my ladyship, there were so many questions.
impact آپ نے کیلکولیٹ نہیں نہ کیا ہوا.
تو امپیکٹ جو ہے, امپیکٹ آپ کو کیلکولیٹ کر کے you meant
یہ آپ نے
by
لگایا ہوا.
including independence.
آپ نے
By
ڈیٹا
including
دیا ہوا ہے,
independence.
اسی پر آ
یونیک
جائیں.
سچویشن ہوئی ہے, یونیک سچویشن.
آپ اپنے ڈیٹا پر آ جائیں نا, so we can
Calculation غلط ہو
understand.
جاتی ہے. اگر آپ اس کو ایکسکلوڈ کرتے ہیں نا اس سائز آف انڈیپینڈنس کو, تو
وہ آپ اگر
ہول ہاؤس گوز اوری.
That's the
My
problem.
submission is that it does not, but if you include them, then you will come to perhaps when you look at the calculations, you will see
Because the whole problem
one
stems
party
from.
might end up getting
نہیں, نہیں.
against one seat, one reserved seat for
You see,
non-Muslims.
the problem here is that it all stems from the Election Commission's understanding of what is a political party and what is not a political party. They gave us their legal submissions and said that 6 elements must exist for it to be a political party. You are saying that no, those 6 elements, no, not all of them have to be there, and yet a political party which is not a political party as per their definition can become a parliamentary party. It appears to be highly confusing, and that is why this confusion has arisen, where you have over 99 independents, and you've put them all out and just taken 10 into consideration. So وہ
Then who
impact
joined the
lopsided نہیں ہو جائے گا.
دیکھیں آپ پلیز, اگر جب ان کی درخواست گئی ان انڈیپینڈنٹس کی الیکشن کمیشن میں کہ ہم ایکس پارٹی کو جوائن کرنا چاہتے ہیں, وہ درخواست وہاں دے دیتے کہ ہم پی ٹی آئی کو جوائن کرنا چاہتے ہیں, اینڈ دی الیکشن کمیشن had rejected that application, and they had come before you that the election commission is refusing to allow us to join this party and then constitute a
The problem
parliamentary party.
stems from a confusion that starts on 22/12/23.
آپ اس
You
کے بعد
can't ignore that, you see.
آ جاتے ہیں آپ کے پاس تو کیا
آپ
پرابلم
starting
تھا؟
point ignore کر دیتے ہیں.
نہیں, میں نہیں اگنور کرتا,
کوئی
وہ ہو
فرق
گیا
نہیں
اس کا.
پڑتا.
نہیں, وہ ہو گیا, اس کے بعد بھی
These
remedial
are
steps ہو
people,
سکتے تھے.
independents who are not independent because they've held themselves out to not be
وہ
independent.
پھر ایسا ایسی نہیں جوائن کرتے, پی ٹی آئی کر لیتے ہیں. اس میں کیا پرابلم تھا؟
You concluded. Now, how long will you take in reply?
15 minutes.
And anybody else? Yeah, just 10 minutes.
Conclude today.
So we can.
Harry صاحب, your 10 minutes is about
No,
1 hour.
because آج ہماری ایک meeting بھی ہے. We don't want to rush you either. We can do it on Monday or any other day which you want.
10 منٹ میں ختم کر لوں اینڈ 10 منٹ میں یہ
10 آپ سوال ہوں گے, پھر ختم نہیں ہوتا نا.
Let's not rush.
آپ کی
منڈے کو وہ دوسرا پھر مجھے تو 15 منٹ چاہیے. آئی لیو اٹ ٹو یور لارڈشپ. 25 سوالات.
15
آپ لوگ کریں گے, کچھ ہم لوگ بھی شاید سوال پوچھ لیں پھر. ہاں, منڈے ٹھیک ہے. منڈے کو کر لیتے ہیں.
There's another bench on Monday.
وہ آگے کر لیں گے, بات کر لیں. اس کو
ٹمارو آئی ایم اویلیبل.
کوئی اور بینچ ہے تو ٹیوزڈے کر لیں.
Monday another bench, special bench.
اٹس ناٹ پاسبل دس ویک سر.
problem ہو رہا ہے. It's a nice city.
ٹھیک ہے آپ کی.
فیصل صاحب, آپ کا ہمیشہ کوئی بہانہ جو ہے وہ ڈومیسٹک ہوتا ہے. Is there some domestic problem?
نو سر, دا ڈومیسٹک پرابلم از آن اے فورن ٹرپ.
اس میں لکھیے.
انہوں نے سلمان نے
لکی ہے, جا سکتے ہیں.
اس میں لکھیے. Learned Attorney General has concluded his submissions to come up on Tuesday, date ڈال دیجیے, July 2024 at 11:30 a.m. to hear submissions in